Hello guys, it's Mokubeye. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to choose who can dine with your video on TikTok. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to open your TikTok account. Once you're there, you click on your profile. After which, you simply need to click on this three horizontal line up here. After which, you click on what? Settings and policies. Once you get there, you simply click on what? Policies. After that, you scroll down, and you are going to see dine. Click on it. So guys, after that you click on dine again. So guys, here you can actually manage who can dine with your video. So you can say everyone, or you can actually choose people you follow back for the last 30 days. So, or only you. So guys, you simply need to choose what suits you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.